Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a Hago account with your phone number or how to sign up for Hago app with your phone number. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I have already installed Hago app from my Play Store. You can also get it through an App Store or Play Store. After that, tap on it to open it. You are onto the very first section where you can simply get logged in with Facebook, with Google or with phone number. We are going to sign up with phone number. I'll tap on this phone icon next to Google. Now I have an option of choosing my phone number. I'll choose one phone number where I can simply get my verification code with the country code. And if I want to get the verification code after tapping my phone number, all you have to do is tap on this get code option next to verification code. Now wait for it. You will be sent with the verification code on your phone. I do have a verification code and I'll enter it. When I'm done, I'll tap on this login option below. You can see that I've been given an option of linking this to an account. So I'll tap on this OK to simply get logged in. And now I can add my nickname. I'll choose one just like this. And then my birth date, starting with the birth year, birth month, and then the birth date. And then when I'm done, I'll tap on this confirm option next to cancel. I can choose the gender as well, male or female. And when you're done, you can even choose to keep a profile picture by tapping on this camera icon. I'll choose one from the gallery by simply going on this and then choosing one of the picture. Then I can tap on this choose option on the bottom right corner of the screen. When I'm done with filling all of the details, I can tap on this done option below. You can see that my personal information has been saved and with my name, with profile picture and all of this. So simply I do have a Hago account now, sign up with the phone number. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an account with a phone number. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.